Will Singapore real estate market crash in 2018? Let me share 3 points with you. Population White Paper started in 2013 to increase Singapore population from 5.39 million to 6.5 million in 2030. That is 65,000 people coming in annually, demanding 26,000 new homes every year. With this demand, do we have enough supply in 2018? Ministry of National Development stats in 2018, only 9,836 new homes are available. 26,000 required with only 936 new homes. Will higher demand, higher prices? 2. Price index movement. After 3 years of decline from 2013, 2017 finally ended with 1.1% growth. Total number of units sold in 2013 was 22,000. It reduced to 12,000 in 2014, then increased to 25,000 in 2017. Do you see the increasing trend? 3. En bloc. In 2017, 24 en bloc deals at astonishing $9.7 billion. Assuming conservatively 40% of these owners buys HDB and retires, there are still a whopping $5.8 billion en bloc funds coming into the market. Will these funds push up the property market prices in Singapore? Should I upgrade in 2018? What are the best deals in 2018? WhatsApp Ken Tay 976-104-63 or visit www.upgrademyhdb.com.